Welcome to this how to do video. In this video I'm going to show you how to set the right emissivity for various materials. You can see here in our example I have here a heating plate with several probes. I have here a special plastic probe, the name is ABS. I have here a plastic part, I have a magnetic surface, and I have here a special metal surface. In our video today I'm going to show you how to set the emissivity of our metal surface on the heating plate. Let's have a look to the PIX Connect software. You can see here at the PIX Connect software that the metal plate is here on the right side on the top, and you can see that I have here a temperature of 42 degrees C. The right temperature should be 64 degrees C. So, now I want to set the right emissivity. How to do this? In this case, you can use one of these emissivity dots. These emissivity dots are available at Optris and they have an exactly emissivity of 0.95. So, you can take one of these emissivity dots and you can push it on the probe, in this case on the metallic surface. And now you can see the emissivity dot and the metal surface beside. So now we are going to set the right emissivity. How to do this? I go to the configuration menu and I add one other measure area. So this is area number 5. You can change the name by clicking in the field name and I will call it emissivity dot. I'm going to have one measurement point for this emissivity dot and I want to see the maximum temperature. I go to apply. Okay. So now you can see I created a new measure area, the name is emissivity dot, and I move this measure area by holding the mouse to the right position onto my emissivity dot. I create another measure area. I go to the configuration menu, I go to the tab measure area and I add another measure area. It's called area 6 automatically, but I change now the name. I change the name to metal surface. It's also a measure point 1 by 1 and I define it also as maximum mode. I go to apply, OK, and I move this new area also to my right position onto my blank metal surface. So now you can see immediately the temperatures. The metal surface has 37 degrees C as temperature and my emissivity dot has a temperature of 67 degrees C. That means that I now have to decrease my emissivity of the metal surface. And therefore, I go another time to my configuration menu, to the tab measure area, and to the measure area emissivity dot. I know that my emissivity dot has an exactly emissivity of 0.95. So I'm going to the right side. I activate the item emissivity and I enter my exactly emissivity of 0.95. I go to apply. Now you can see that my emissivity dot has the right temperature of 66 degrees C, but my metal surface has only 37 degrees C because of the high reflection. Now I have to decrease the emissivity of the blank metal surface. I go to my configuration menu, to the tab measure area, and I activate my area metal surface And now I activate emissivity and I decrease the emissivity to, for example, 0.3. I go to apply. You can now see that my blank metal surface has a temperature of 56 degrees C, but my emissivity dot has 67 degrees C. So I have to decrease more the emissivity. And now you can see that both temperatures are nearly the same. So I'm going to 0.2. And you can see that I have now nearly the exact temperature. So now I set the right emissivity of 0.2. I go to apply and to OK. So now we have the right temperature, we have the right emissivity, and that's the way how you can set the emissivity for various materials.